How to cancel your Hulu subscription. Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will guide you on how you can cancel your Hulu account subscription. So make sure to watch the video till the very end. So if you would like to cancel the subscription for your Hulu account, depending upon whether you're using iPhone or Android, the process on both of the devices are actually different. So just for the global usage, I'm going to show this from my browser. So open your browser, go to hulu.com and make sure to log into the account on which you would like to cancel the subscription. After you do that, make sure to actually select your name in the top right corner of the screen, and as you do that, you will find another option on the next pop-up page known as account. So make sure to select the option called account. Once you've done that, on the next page again you would have to scroll down to the bottom of the screen and then select the option known as cancel. And as you select the option known as cancel, it's going to ask you for a confirmation and all the benefits that you're actually going to lose once you cancel the subscription. Just keep in mind that Hulu is also going to offer to suspend the subscription temporarily and not charge you instead. So depending upon what you would like to do, you have to ignore that because you don't want to get charged either way. Tap the continue to cancel option and your subscription will get successfully cancelled. And that's all it takes to cancel your Hulu account subscription. Hope this video was very helpful, and if you have got any more questions, feel free to also leave them down below. Thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in our next video.